What's up everyone, how's it going? This is your man TJ Singh right here. So guys, in this video I will be showing you how to remove the battery from your GoPro. So guys, if you're using a GoPro prior to the Hero 8 Black, then you might need to remove the GoPro from the casing like this. So once you have done this, you need to locate the location from where you're going to remove the battery from a GoPro. So the location might be different according to the GoPro model that you're using right now. So this is the Hero 7 Black and the battery is on the bottom side. So basically, to pull the battery out, what you need to do is just press this button on this flap, and you need to pull this flap outside like this, and this flap will open in front of you. And now you have this pull tab. So you're going to hold this pull tab, and now you are going to take out the battery with a little bit of applied force, and this battery will come out like this. And if the battery is faulty, you can just replace the battery with a new one. And you need to remember that the GoPro logo will be on the top side like this. And now for installing the battery back in the GoPro, what you need to do is insert the battery like this and push it, and you will hear this click. And what you need to do afterwards is pull the flap downwards and push it inwards like this, and you will hear a nice satisfying click. So this was pretty much it, and quick tip and trick for the GoPro, how to remove it and replace it with a new one. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more future videos like this. And I will be catching you in the very next one guys. Till then, take care.